Alright guys, in this video I have a 2012 Kia Sportage, and what we're going to try to do is just perform a key programming. So basically a key to start the vehicle. We're going to be using the Autel Maxisys, and the customer brought the keys, so this is key number 1. Something important to note with Kia vehicles, if you don't see this little icon right here, that means that the key is either not programmed or there might be an immobilizer issue. So that's key number 1, and as you can see, it lights up the immobilizer icon. This is the second key, and as you can tell, it does not light up the immobilizer icon. So that tells you that it is not programmed. So what we're going to do is go through with the Autel and see if we're if we are able to program it. So let's bring the Autel up. Now, to program these keys, you do need a password, and you have to contact the special people in order to get the passwords. But we're gonna go auto detect. Okay. USA. Yes. We are going to go hot function. We're going to go emos and keys. Hopefully this loads up before. Might not be able to get into it. Oh. Mobilizer. We're gonna go to learn keys and input the pin code, and the pin code is a 6-digit pin code. And we are done, and we will press OK. Do you want to continue? Yes. And we completed the key programming. Press OK. Insert the next key with the ignition on. We'll reprogram this other one. OK. And then we press cancel. Turn the ignition off. Now, they say to take and erase all the keys out of the immobilizer system before you program, because there's only a specific amount of keys that can be programmed to the system. But really, in past like 8 years of working on Kia vehicles, I've never actually had to take and erase everything out of the system. So it still works. The only thing is that if ever you get into the situation where you can't program a key, then that's where you would take and erase everything out of the system. So we're going to turn the ignition back on. We're going to press OK. And that's it. So now we should be able to start the car with both keys. So this is key number 1, which didn't work. And as you can see, my little light's on. Now we're going to switch over to key number 2. As you can tell, key number 2 light's on. So we'll take and we'll start with key number 1. Perfect. We'll turn that off. And key number 2. And it starts. So that's how you program a key onto a Kia vehicle in Canada using the Autel Maxisys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.